If you are a local SEO specialist and you need Black Friday deals on local SEO tools, I've got you covered on this one because I'm going to show you the best AI tools that are offering Black Friday deals. Example is GMB everywhere. It's offering up to 66% off for the first 30 users. You don't want to miss this immediately, and the sale is ongoing. You need to click in the link I'm going to drop in this video and also show you how you can also get it immediately. Always check the description of my videos to get access to the link. Come to your browser and type faithambole.com/Black Friday. Boom, it gives you this. You can as well just come to your browser and type faithambole.com. As soon as you type faithambole.com, you over resources, click on Black Friday deals. That's the easiest way, or the other way around. I'll also leave this link in the description of my video. It's going to be the first link you will see down below there. Click on it and you will be here. The next thing you have to do is just to scroll down. These are Black Friday deals. You can shop this period. I've done the heavy lifting for you. Everything is here. Just scroll down, come to GMB everywhere. You're getting 66% off for the first 30 users. Please grab this as soon as you see it. Just click Black Friday deals. Boom, you are here already. Can you see that you're getting a massive discount this period? And this is a tool that helps you audit your Google business profile to rank and outrank those ranking you on Google Maps. You want to make sure you're visible on Google local search. You are also visible on Google Maps, and you are outranking your competitor. GMB audit, GMB competitor analysis, and your local SEO game is changing right away with just this simple tool. So make sure you grab it immediately you see this video. See you in my next video.